What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we finally got the Arlen Ness grips in the mail, so we can finally go ahead and install them. They look really nice. I haven't taken them out the package yet, but from here they look good. I got the black ones with the goldish tips. They're like goldish, brownish type of color. Oh, but they look nice. Alright, so I'm pretty happy because I thought that they were going to be a really bright gold and I was about to return them and just get the black ones. These are actually a nice gold color. They look very, very nice. So they're not going to be looking so crazy when it comes to the bronze on the bike. I hate that. I hate when there's like different gold colors popping out everywhere and it's like bronze, gold, bronze. I'll just try to keep it. But this is not that bad. So pretty simple install, hopefully. The one on the throttle side is really easy to install. The other one's a little trickier. Not trickier, just a little more annoying because of the glue and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and start step by step. And my kid is kicking down my garage door. So inside here, as I open it, you guys can see that it comes with the stick of glue already, because the one on the clutch side needs glue, the other one doesn't. Alright guys, so these are throttled by wire, so it's gonna be real easy to install. The one on the right side of the throttle sides, as you can't really see it inside, but inside it brings little teeth things that just grab onto the end here, because when you pull your throttle, your whole throttle is not where you're really pulling your throttle from, it's just at the end of the cap. So that's just gonna lock onto there, and anytime you pull, that's when you pull your throttle. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the throttle side. Like I mentioned, you just need to take the screw off on top. Alright, now that we took the top one off, we're going to go ahead and take the bottom off right here. So it's only 2 screws, guys. Alright guys, so we got the top cap off. It's still a little tight because this thing will not move out of place. So what we need to do is just loosen this up. Don't go ahead and take off all the screws off. Just loosen this side off of it, and that's gonna give you access for you to maneuver this around in order for you to pop this out. There you go. So now I'm able to move this out of the way, and this grip should come right off, just like that. Boom! Man, I'm really liking this color. So nice. Just make sure when it goes on there, it catches on, guys. And then we can put this back in place. Tighten this screw up. Make sure that gets nice and tight again. Just test it out before you close it back up. Make sure it's grabbing. So that's a nice little grab right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cap back on here again. Alright guys, so the same thing to the side. We start off with the top screw. Careful it doesn't fall anywhere. And then go to the bottom, do the other one. So the cap comes off. So this one is all glued, guys, so we're just gonna have to cut it off because we're not gonna reuse them. So that's that. So you take a knife, nice little clean cut down the grip end of this one here. The beginning of it's pretty clean, but towards the end it's like really, really rough. Hawk smash! We just ripped that one off right there. You chuck that out. This piece yanks off. Then you can just take your knife or your blade and just shave off any rubber you see on there. Alright, so we can sand everything off. Just make sure it's nice and clean anywhere. If you still have any chunks, like I have some right here, just take that off with the knife, scrape it off. I'm just gonna wipe this off. So at least it's all the residues off of it. Guys, so we're gonna take our grip, we're gonna take some glue, and we're gonna pour some inside right there. Get it nice and lubed up. Put some on top right here. All right, just like that. We're just gonna slide this in. Like I said, make sure it's perfect the first time because you're not gonna be able to take this off again. So get a nice, there we go, get it all nice in there, nice and lubed. You want to pull in and push at the same time. Make sure nothing's in the way. Okay. All right, so perfect fitting right there. As you can see, we just got to put our cap on top and we're done. This is a nice little mod, guys, that you could knock out in like 30 minutes in your house. Stuff like this are fun. You get to work on your bike. You don't got to go take it to the dealership and drop $100 on something that you could do in your house, you know? So hopefully this could be very helpful for anyone who wants to change their own grips at home, because it's that easy. If I could do it, you could do it. Like I always say, man, if I could do it, you could do it. I'm not a mechanic, guys. I just work. I work okay with my hands, you know? That's it. I'm okay with my hands. I'm not the best with my hands, but I'm okay with them. All right, now make sure everything's nice and tight, but don't super over tighten it because you don't want to break anything. And that's it, guys. We're done. I'm gonna take it outside so I give you some better lighting, show you what it looks like, and I'm gonna show you how good the gold contrasts with the bronze. It kind of looks good, really good. Alright guys, so there you go, the Arlen Ness grips install. I hope I was able to help you. I hope I was able to save you some money today. Real simple, as you saw. Anybody, if I could do it, you can do it. The grips feel amazing. Next time I go out, I'll give you guys another review on what they feel like on the road and as I'm riding and everything like that. But they look amazing. Like I said before, I'm really happy that it's not such a bright color, such a gold color. It's like a dark gold color, which looks really good with the brondish, goldish color that the bike comes with. Look out, because I do have another install video at the end of the week. If you saw my last video, then you saw that I posted this, so that's coming. All right guys, like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.